Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 2011 Ford F-150, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the inner fuel bezel. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. There's 3 mounting screws and they're located behind this little bezel, easy fuel, little ad. So you just grab this and pull firmly, and that comes right off. Then you have your 3 mounting screws, 8mm. And you're going to put an 8mm socket on there. I'm using an extension, so hopefully I don't hit the body of the truck. So you just mount all 3 bolts. So I reach my arm up inside the fender well, and because I have the new one and I can look at it, I see that there's an inverted tab here, 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 and here, right where those indents are. They're just little plastic tabs. So I'm going to push in on them, see if I can get my body tool behind there, and work it over. So once I put my arm up in there and I got this tab off, and I grabbed another body tool, and I'm working my way around on the tabs, because it's not really that clear of access underneath. You'll to reach your hands up in there and pull the tabs. So if you can work your way around the body tool, so in order to get the fuel door off of the bracket, there's a little clear tab here. It's obviously you can see it. Get a small screwdriver, pull the ear out, and then you slide that right out. So that way the color code is the same. Here we have our new fuel door bucket from 1A Auto. And this is the factory. Identically made. You've got the door where your painted door slides on. In the back side here, you've got the same spring clip, 3 mounting holes, and then the push lock tabs, 4 of them. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to slide the new door, the old door cover on the new gas. So I've got slide tabs here and the slide tabs there, and there's the lock tab, and that is the lock tab. So I'm going to line them up. Oh, that was pretty easy. What I did was I pushed the back tabs in the slide first, then the front ones here have an angle to them. They go down and snap, and then it snaps into place. So to install it, I'm going to clear some of this mud out of here. I'm going to put the fuel door hinge in first, and I'm going to slowly give it a good push. Open the door, reline up the inner gas. You can see the hinge, the rubber seal wants to go around that, so you gotta line up those 3 mounting holes you'll see on the inside. Give it a quick firm push, and see the bolt holes line up. So now we're going to reinstall our bolts. And we're going to tighten them down once they're all started. So now I can snug them down. All 3 of them are bottomed up. Now we'll put on our trim piece. I'm I'm going to line up that bottom tab on that little indent dimple. You've got 2 others up on top. And we're just going to push down firmly. And there you have it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.